Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today. I will be working on today, as you can see, this large canvas, 16 by 20 canvas, and I will be keeping it simple once again. So I will be painting with some metallic black, which is from Artist Loft, as well as some metallic white. And the color that I have chosen to work with, to paint with today, is by Folk Art. It's a color shift. I've really been enjoying this, working with these paints, and this one is the Aqua Flash. So I'll just give you a look here. I think it's so beautiful. So yeah, everything has water, Floetrol, silicone, and I will be adding, once again, some black glitter to my black paint. So I'm going for some puddle pours, and that's about it. I'll see where it brings me. I've really been enjoying painting with these color shift paints. I think that the contrast on the white and black are just really spectacular, and I'm also really enjoying the black glitter. I think it makes for an awesome texture. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!